Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing some lollipop chicken. Now I usually do this on the grill, but today I'm going to be doing it on my air fryer. You know what? I ain't got the time. I know it's going to cook it a lot faster. I don't need to start any charcoal. So no further ado, let's get down to the recipe so I can show you how to make it. You want to go ahead and just cut at the bottom of the meat on the leg. And go ahead and cut around the skin, and then you want to cut through all the way to the bottom. You want to go ahead and remove the skin and the cartilage at the bottom of each leg. Just get your knife in there. It comes off really easy. Just go ahead and pull everything off, and just use your knife to cut everything apart. And then that little bone right there that goes all the way down to the top of the leg, you want to just go ahead and separate that. You can break it off or be smart and use some shears and just cut it off. Me, I had to, do it the hard way and try to get my hands in there. So now you just want to go ahead and clean up your chicken. You want to kind of make it as like a lollipop looking as possible. Now you just want to go ahead and season with your favorite barbecue rub. Now go ahead and wrap it with some bacon. If you want to keep it all together nice and tight, you can go ahead and use toothpicks. But actually when you cook it, that bacon gets hard and it stays together. So we're going to go ahead and get them ready for our air fryer. Now I'm going to just be putting my basket all the way at the bottom without the little rack. And we're going to set it to 380 degrees. And the cook time is going to be 22 minutes. Once your air fryer is nicely preheated, go ahead and put in your lollipop chicken in there and just begin the cooking process. You might have to lean them up against something, that way they can stay, standing up, but just go ahead and let them cook. Once the 22 minutes is done, as you can see, they're nice and juicy. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of barbecue sauce on each side. I tried doing them standing up, but it was just easier just to pull it out and give it a brush of some barbecue sauce. Now we're just going to go ahead and set the air fryer at 380 degrees and we're going to cook it for another 6 minutes. We want to make that barbecue sauce nice and thick. Once it's done, you have a nice juicy chicken wrapped in bacon with some barbecue sauce all glazed all over. That's why we got lollipop chicken. As you can see right here, they look beautiful, they got good color. And they were cooked all the way through, and you know what, having that bacon on there was really juicy. As you can see, all those juices in there, when I bit into it, my whole face had juice all over. So I hope you try this recipe. It came out really great. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, that way you can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. And while you're at it, I have these 3 other air fryer recipes. Go ahead and check them out. They're really good recipes. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.